घर सिर्फ ईंट पत्थरों से नहीं बनता, बल्कि बहुत मेहनत से बनता है। हर कोई बड़े ही प्यार से अपना घर बनाता है।
बैचलर होकर घर खरीद के डिजाइन करने की बात तो मैंने आज तक नहीं सोची है, बट मिस्टर ऋषित ने इस काम को बहुत ही अच्छे से किया है। On this episode of DesignCafe Homes, welcome to this gorgeous home spread across 1,160 square feet at Mahavir Ranches in Bengaluru. A beautiful home that looks clutter-free with minimalist vibe, subtle colors and clean lines. And if you're a bachelor, keep watching till the end because there's some amazing design tips waiting for you. ये लाइट ग्रे कलर का रस्टिक टीवी यूनिट यही इस लिविंग रूम की हाईलाइट है। इनफैक्ट ये ऋषित को भी बहुत पसंद है, स्पेशली द कोव लाइट बिहाइंड द टीवी यूनिट। ऑल्सो ये जो स्मोक ग्रे कलर का एल शेप्ड सोफा रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, crafted in contemporary style, this is perfect for all those movie nights. इसे कहते हैं इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग का कमाल। आपको दिख ही रहा होगा कि कैसे डिजाइनर ने इस किचन को इतना स्मार्टली बनाया है। This is so good for the modern men who are multitasking. Ample amount of storage as well as easily accessible kitchen items is what one needs when they are running the household single-handedly. वैसे how can we forget about those late night parties? Now you can call any number of guests over because cooking a meal in this kitchen has to be a piece of cake, isn't it? Well, moving on to the master bedroom. ऋषित ने हमें बहुत ही क्लियरली बताया था कि उन्हें बहुत ही सिंपल एंड मिनिमलिस्टिक वाले रूम्स चाहिए थे इन बेसिक ग्रे कलर्स, जो अब तक आपने देख ही लिया होगा। I must mention this sliding wardrobe along with this massive mirror of the dresser looks so fascinating. The loft that is provided here, which is so neatly done yet blends so well with the colors of the wardrobe. This bedroom is warmed up with these wall sconce lights that evokes a very warm earthy tone and complements the overall design scheme of this room. And how can we miss out on this workstation here that looks aesthetically pleasing yet so functional? The entire design scheme of this room is just based on subtle colors and clean lines. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Hit like if you agree. ऋषित को एक पूजा यूनिट भी चाहिए था और उनके पेरेंट्स भी कई बार यहाँ पे आते रहते हैं, तो he thought that it will be good to have a puja unit design. Well, this is it. It is very spacious on the inside and along with the jali design and the storage below, it makes a perfect design piece. This looks simple yet modern, just exactly the way Rishit wanted. Now time for that one design tip that you guys have been waiting for. Remember it, implement it and you can thank me later. Always go for furnitures that are flexible so that you can accommodate those frequent gang visits, stay over, binge watching Netflix or those endless conversations. Go for sofas like sectional sofas, sofa cum bed or even futons. And if you love bohemian interior design theme, then always go for floor cushion because that can accommodate a large number of guests and it also gives a very eclectic twist. That's it for today. We would love to know what you love the most in this video. My favorite for sure was the TV unit that adds a rustic touch to the entire living room. Hit like if you think that was your favorite too. और अगर ये घर देख के आपको भी अपना घर डिजाइन करवाने का मन कर रहा है, well then here's some good news for you. Click on the link below for a free design consultation. Hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos. This is Rukmini Saha signing off for now. See you soon in another beautiful video of DesignCafe Homes.